Fish, I see as much as seeing a screenslaver.
They just sit there, watching us.
This is what a screamer is a budget see.
Screenslaver interrupts this program for an important announcement.
I'll be damned. She knew.
Let's see if your gadget works.
Don't bother watching the rest. Elastigirl doesn't say anything. She only postpones her defeat. And while she postpones her defeat, you eat chips and watch her confront problems that you are too lazy to deal with. Superheroes are part of your brainless desire to replace true experience with simulation. You don't talk, you watch talk shows. You don't play games, you watch game shows. Travel, relationships, risk. Every meaningful experience must be packaged and delivered to you to watch at a distance, so that you can remain ever sheltered, ever passive, ever ravenous consumers who can't bring themselves to rise from their couches, break a sweat, and participate in life. You want superheroes to protect you and make yourselves ever more powerless in the process, while you tell yourself you're being looked after.
Wow.
Your interests are being served, and your rights are being upheld, so that the system can keep stealing from you, smiling at you all the while. Go ahead, send your supers to stop me. Grab your snacks, watch your screens, and see what happens. You are no longer in control. I am.
There. Now you know what they were thinking.